So, hi everyone, I'm Asu, and in this video, we are going to solve lead code medium problem, known as find first and last position of element in sorted array. Okay, so this question is from Kunal Kuswaha DAC sheet. I am solving that. So I have solved it, but I will let you all through the institution. How should we think about this problem? Okay, so let's see what questions ask. Okay, uh, find first and last element in sorted array. So here it's given the array is sorted. Okay, so if you ever find something is sorted, then definitely, as Kunal Kuswaha also told us, use think about binary search. Is it binary search? Okay. So definitely this question will be going toward binary search, and this should be our first institution. Given the array of integer norms sorted in decreasing order, find the starting and ending position of given target value. Okay. If target is not found, we have to return -1. So let's see example. Here we are given 5, 7, 7, 8, 8, 10, and our target is 8. So let's go through this example only. Okay. We'll try to solve it, and 5, 7, 7, 8, 8, 10, and our target value is 8. So हमें यहाँ पे we have to find the first and last index uh, for the target 8. So here 3 and 4. These are the value. Let's make it a little complex. So we will get a better idea how to solve this problem. Let's make it 5, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 10. Okay. So now what will be the length of array? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is the length. As we know how we apply binary search, so precaution of this video will be definitely binary search. You should know the basic about binary search, how binary search work. Let me uh, quickly go through what binary search is. So binary search is a searching algorithm whose time complexity is log n, big O of log n. Uh, it is better. It only works on the sorted arrays or anything which is sorted. We can apply here. So the basic institution behind it. Like let's say we have to find some element, so we can always reduce the search size by half by finding the mid value. So let's see here. Will uh so here the start position index is definitely 0 and end equal to ARR dot length minus 1. ARR dot length minus 1. We take end equal to this value. Okay. So in this case, what will be the length of array is 7. So end value will be 6. So what will be the mid value? Mid will be definitely start plus n divided by 2. So in this case, 0 plus 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. So let's see which element is at index 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So we find 8. Okay. Our target is 8, and at index 3, we have find 8. So if it was a normal binary search, then we will return, okay, we have found our target element. Here is the index, and yeah, we have actually matched our target. But in this case, we have to find starting index of that target value and last index of that target value. Okay, so let's see how we will find the starting index in this case. Starting index. Okay. So our mid is equal to 3 and our start equal to 0 and end equal to 6. So let's say we have to find the leftmost value. Then in this case, what we will do, we will go like start equal to 0 and our end will be mid minus 1. So in this case 2, and again if we go through it, the mid value will be, so like for this case what will be the while loop, मतलब while loop इसमें क्या होना चाहिए कि हम एंड को ही क्यों माइनस कर रहे हैं, केस क्या बनना चाहिए. सो while if sorry if our ARR of mid is क्या होना चाहिए हमें पहले नॉर्मली कैसे मिड होता है, हम कैसे इटरेट कैसे करते हैं, लेट्स सी कि नॉर्मल बाइनरी सर्च में क्या होता है. इफ ARR ऑफ मिड इक्वल टू टारगेट, वी रिटर्न ARR ऑफ मिड. ओके. इफ ARR of mid greater than target, so in this case we return, so like our mid value, let's say this is our mid value and this is our target, this is smaller, so we return and equal to mid minus 1. else यानी उस केस में क्या होता है, ARR of mid is actually less than target, so we return start equal to and sorry start equal to mid plus 1. या सो अब हम इसको थोड़ा मॉडिफाई करेंगे क्योंकि हमें बस मिड वैल्यू तो चाहिए नहीं. सो व्हाट विल वी डू इन दिस केस फॉर द लेफ्ट मोस्ट वैल्यू, लाइक यू कैन सी हम एंड को इटरेट किए, हमने एंड को मिड माइनस 1 पे लाया. सो इन दिस केस ARR ऑफ मिड ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू टारगेट, सो हम क्या करेंगे, एंड इक्वल टू मिड माइनस 1 ये केस लगाएंगे और इस केस में ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू रखेंगे, ना कि बस ग्रेटर देन. ओके. देन जस्ट द सिमिलर अपोजिट हो जाएगा इसमें फॉर द, अगर हम राइट मोस्ट वैल्यू जानना चाहे तो. सो लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल. ओके. सो इन दिस केस हम यहाँ पे थे, तो इस एग्जाम्पल में क्या हो रहा था कि हमारे पास अब मिड 2 आ गया, तो डेफिनेटली our start equal to 0 and equal to what was the end, sorry, and equal to 2, mid will be 1, so our 1, the index at 1 is 7, so 7 is I think less than 8, so our start will be mid plus 1, start equal to 2, which will violate the uh, our while loop, as our while loop is start less than equal to end. So this is our while loop. So इससे हमें हमेशा मिल जाएगा लेफ्ट मोस्ट इंडेक्स. एंड सिमिलर फॉर राइट मोस्ट इंडेक्स, अपन क्या करेंगे, लाइक इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग ARR ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू टारगेट, हम इसको ना लेकर अपोजिट वाला लेंगे, ARR ऑफ मिड less than equal to target, then start equal to mid plus 1. So let's say in this case, what will happen? Okay. So we are at index 3. So our start will be, so this loop will be the above one. So this will execute. Okay. कि ARR जो हमारा है टिक इक्वल टू द टारगेट तो वही है ना. सो स्टार्ट विल बी 3 plus 1 equal to 4 and end equal to 6. So what will be the mid value? 5. So let's see. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got this. So again it is 5. So answer will be updated to 5. And now वी विल अगेन चेक कि डेफिनेटली ये वाला केस ही वापस एग्जीक्यूट हो जाएगा। सो स्टार्ट विल बी 6 and end will be 6. So mid will be 6. And what will be the value at 6? We have 10. So 10 is greater than our target. So end will move. So end will be 6 minus 1 equal to 5. Okay. So this will violate the while loop. So we will get our answer. So let's code it. मैं आपको कोड में शो करता हूँ कि हाउ वी विल सॉल्व इट. ओके. So wait, I would share my laptop screen now. The question. So here is the question. So हम इसको ट्राई करेंगे बहुत ही सिंपल में सॉल्व करने का. So like हमें एक फंक्शन बनाना पड़ेगा that will return definitely int Baniji search, and it will have int arr, int target, and one loop, one boolean value. Boolean is last. अगर हम this will be for whether we are looking for the last value or the first value. So for both cases we will have to define the start and end index. Int start equal to 0. Sorry. Int end equal to error dot length minus 1. So here we go our while loop. Oh, sorry. We will define our answer also. As we have to return the minus 1 here. So int answer equal to minus 1 while start less than equal to end. Sorry. Oh my god, what I'm doing. So int mid equal to start plus end divided by 2. Basic here we are just directly doing int mid equal to start plus end, but if you look the value of nums dot length, it's 10 to the power 5. So definitely ये हमारे इंटीजर को लिमिट को एक्सीड कर जाएगा. But let's see if it will be exceeding, then we will change it. So this is our mid value. So अब यहाँ पे हमारा वो केस if it's last. So we are calculating here for the last value. So जैसा हमने बताया था क्वेश्चन में कि we will first execute the case of ARR of mid mid less than equal to target. If ARR of mid less than equal to target, so our start equal to mid plus 1. But before that, we will check if ARR of mid equal to target. So answer equal to mid and start equal to mid plus 1. Else end equal to mid minus 1. And definitely here else, if in this case what will happen if ARR of mid greater than equal to target, so end equal to do. But before that, if mid ARR of mid equal to target, will store answer equal to mid, and definitely here end equal to mid minus 1, else start equal to mid plus 1. So at the end we have to return the answer. So we have returned. So here how will store our value? int res equal to minus 1 comma minus 1, res of 0 equal to BINRY. We have to store the start value here. Okay. So its last will be false. Target, comma, false. The rest of one will be binary. BINARY. Nums, comma, target, comma, true. Return. Yes. Let's run it. Let's see what we have done. Okay. So we have solved it. Let's try to submit it. Yeah. So this was how we have to solve it. I will provide the gist of my solution. You can look on it if you wanted to. This was for this video. Thank you so much for